So I'm filming actually in my daughter's playroom today, so please forgive the background. But I went to the Coach store at the Ala Moana Center in Hawaii, and I picked up some wonderful items. I'm super excited. So I'm going to do the small item first. Oh, the sales associate wrapped it up all nice for me. I don't want to mess this up. Darn. I'm gonna have to. She was very sweet, by the way. I love visiting that Coach. The associates are usually so sweet. Okay, can you guess what it is? It is the card case in the color pink. I actually went there looking for a black one, but this was the last one there, but it's so cute, I just had to get it. So when you open it up, this is how it looks. This quality feels amazing. I was actually going to originally try to go into the Louis Vuitton store to look for some small leather goods, but there's a line, and I don't know, I feel like sometimes the sales associates there treat customers differently based on the amount that they're going to spend, and I really was only looking for small leather goods, so I didn't really want to, you know, deal with that. So I just went into Coach, and I'm so glad I did because I love this. It's brown on the inside. Pretty sure this is brown. Dark brown, and then like a darker brown here, I think. Or is this a wine color? Let me look at the tag. Candy multi pink. So okay, I guess this is a shade of pink, and this is the lean card case. And I was looking at this online, like I said, and I'm glad I got it. This was the last one. So it just has a C here, and it's in like a bronze color. There's room for cards in the back. There's room for 4 cards here on the side, and these are actually very flexible, so you can probably put 2 cards in each slot if you wanted to. And then there's another slot here. You can probably fit 2 cards in there. And there's a space for like cash, and then there's a little coin section. So this is extremely nice. I really like this. Okay. And I'll link this down below on the website because I believe it's still on the website. And then let's go to my bigger item. So I went into Coach looking for I wanted to see what the Rogues look like in person. I love the silhouette of the Rogue, but after viewing it in person, I felt like I didn't like the zippered part in the middle because it looked too chunky. So I didn't like that. So instead, I got this. Still a tote, but not a Rogue, which was my original interest when I went to the store. So here she is. This is soft pebbled leather, which I love. I'm gonna get the name of this. This is the pebble leather Tyler. So I have 2 straps, so I can hold it like this. Or there's a longer strap so I can wear it crossbody, which I'm a crossbody girl. One thing that does worry me is this right here. I don't know if you can see it. So the top is kind of thin, so this later on is probably going to be an issue. But for right now, I love it. There are 3 compartments. I like these compartments because it's gonna help me keep this purse very organized. And in the center, I'm just gonna show you guys how big this opening is. Okay, so quite a bit can fit in there if you want to press it. And then there's another pocket on the inside here. So that's nice. I think that's all the pockets. And then this is just a Coach here. It looks very nice. This bag feels very soft and I feel like it's going to be durable. I was interested, like I said, in the Rogue, and then my other option for bags was going to be the Louis Vuitton On The Go in the print leather. And I'm glad I got this one instead because I don't have to worry about it as much. I do have Louis Vuitton bags and I feel like I don't wear them that often because I'm worried about messing them up. And for this is very nice quality. Oh yeah, and it has feet on it as well. So this is very nice quality, but I feel like I don't have to, excuse me, worry about it as much as the other items. So I'm not gonna unwrap it just yet, but it comes with a little C charm. Like I said, this is more like a bronzed gold. Comes with this. I did not get it hot stamped. I already have something hot stamped. I'm just gonna leave this one alone. Hardware. Hardware, and for detail, it says Coach. I don't know if you guys can see right there. And it says Coach on these little gold pins as well. And for size reference, I am 5'11", or 71.25 centimeters. I'm basically almost 6 feet tall. So when I hold it to myself, this is how big it looks. So let me show you the cute side. This is how big it is. I usually wear this on my arm. This is how I like to wear my purses, either that or crossbody. So you know what? Let me open the strap for the crossbody so you guys can see it. Okay, so the strap is adjustable. This is probably on the shortest loop, and this is where it comes to me, right about hip level, just about. So this is the perfect length. Like I said, I'm 5'11". This is how big the bag is. I would show it to you against my iPad Pro, but I'm actually using it to record. So I'll just use my phone. This is a Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. So this is way bigger than my phone. So this is her. I love it. Alright, so I think that's going to be the end of this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please comment, like, and subscribe if you want to see more. Bye!